All right. The new to me Tahoe is going to get some new rotors, new pads, some inner outer tie rods, maybe today. I've got all the stuff. Unfortunately, it's not fancy stuff like Brembo brakes, but it is hilarious because it's like Tommy Boy. Who knew that there were actual Callahan brake pads and brake rotors from the Tommy Boy movie? So that's what this truck's going to get today. Drilled, slotted, ceramic brake pads from Callahan brake parts. We did do a new grill, new headlights, new marker lights,